Hello, today I'm going to talk about deployment strategies. So, we have recently seen like a big outage with CrowdStrike, and it impacted all the systems, all of its clients all over the globe. So, why it's critical like a good deployment strategy based on your needs to pick one. And it's a quite common like thing to pick the right one because now everyone like delivering the things at a different speed than like what we used to have in the past. With the cloud computing, it's very essential to know the right strategy for your application needs. So I'm just going to talk about like some of the key things. So the first one is like recreate. It's just you try to, it's a very common practice that you used to have. It used to recreate the instances, like take your application down and like put the new version. The problem with that is it's going to have like downtime, which typically in a current scenario, in a current like we don't like want to have that, having the customers having downtime. Earlier we used to like place scheduled downtime, maintenance pages and do that, but like now every application we want to be like 24/7, if based on the need, not every, but most applications we do like 24/7. So so that's one thing. And then like the next one is like a rollout. It's like a gradual thing, like so you try to add like new instances for your new version, and then like slowly like taking out the old version. So that's a little bit better one because you are like trying to minimize your downtime of your application. The other one of the most things like nowadays we use is like blue green. So you try to have deploy the new version and slowly like switching the traffic to the newer version. So it reduces there's no downtime in this one. So all of your old instances will be taken back, will be deleted after the traffic and all like is being routed to the new instance. The thing catch here is you need to add like a lot more resources, because if you have like 5 instances, you have to add like 5 instances and switch the traffic. So it's going to be like resource, your cost is going to increase, but you're going to have like zero downtime. And the next one is canary deployment. So this is another like one of the things that's you roll it to a subset of users rather than the whole population, and then like slowly switching the traffic to the newer version. So in a scenario like CrowdStrike scenario, this would have been helped because you don't like roll to everyone and then like you face an issue and then like later fix it. So you would have like known the issue upfront when you have like small set of users, and you will be minimizing the damages. So that's another thing. So canary. The next one would be it's going to be A/B testing. Yes. So this is going to be like you are like having it's for like very experimental and like try to put your product or your application in front of the user and get like real feedback. So having this based on your needs, you have to decide like which set of users like need to see which application version, and then you try to learn from the application statistics and try to decide how you want to, which one like want to be like a longer term thing, and then like do that. So which case gains engagement and things like that. So These are like common, and there might be like even more. So pick a right strategy that suits your application needs. So that way you are like having a very good like deployment strategy, which by which you provide like less downtime, less cost, and like multiple factors you need to consider. There's like no one single thing that will work for everyone. So pick the right strategy. Thank you.